Hi everyone, today I will show you a perfect place to stay at Avani Beach, Krabi. Surrounded by the fabulous natural landscapes, it features a perfect location, comfortable rooms with spacious balconies, stunning infinity pool with spectacular views and reasonable pricing. Let me show you Avani Cliff Avani Beach. Avani Cliff is located at Avani Beach in one of the most beautiful places in Thailand. Surrounded by the magnificent limestone cliffs, you will be enjoying outstanding views during your entire trip. The resort is placed over the hill and the navigation might seem confusing from the first look. Here, next to the main road, they've got a small cafe/entrance. You will walk through and take an elevator to the next level. And here, finally, the lobby area is. The resort doesn't look much fresh, but they keep it in a good condition. Gorgeous tropical plants are poured generously all around the spacious and multi-level territory. There, I would say, are 3 levels of blocks. The lowest categories are placed in the first one next to the road. I would certainly not recommend them. I booked Avani Sea View room, which was on the second level, facing the sea, cliff and the city, and costed me around 80 USD per night with breakfast for 2. It turned out to be pretty much as I expected. Cozy and modern, the interior will not scream with bright colors or bold decorations. Instead, it offers calm and relaxing vibes. It features huge king-size bed with nice bedding, a sofa bed next to the window to sit and savor the view's comfort, a huge flat TV, which I honestly never use, but I guess some might need it, and a narrow desk with a chair where you can even do some work. There is quite basic minibar with some tea and coffee making facilities, and of course the closet with safety box and a couple of robes. Inside the bathroom there also are no surprises. It looks simple and functional. A shower is provided with decent washing amenities and separated with a glass partition from the toilet. You will find useful and spacious area around the sink with enough space for all your cosmetics. Everything is clean and a hair dryer is provided. It's worth mentioning that each room features quite large balcony with some chairs and outdoor jacuzzi. It's not as glamorous as you would expect it to be in some luxury 5-star resort, but to sit in warm bubbles and savor the view is outstanding experience. And the view is quite alright, but it's certainly worth to pay extra for the superior sea view rooms, which I assume are on the 3rd level, next to the swimming pool and restaurant. They have also pool villas at Avani Cliff Avani, which are behind Panorama Wing, but I honestly don't think it's worth it, as the main pool is killing feature here. So in this case, I would rather save money choosing the rooms over the villas. Speaking of the pool, Avani Cliff Avani has actually 2 of them. The one I was talking about is located on top of the Panorama Wing as the part of the Cliff restaurant. It's a cozy area with numerous sunbeds and dining tables. Covered under the shadow of the trees, it provides chill and relaxing vibes. They serve food and cocktails here, and the prices are very affordable for such place. I didn't try the food, but the mocktail costed me around 200 baht and was delicious. If I had no need to take a video, I would not leave this place at all. Seriously, just look at this fantastic panorama of fabulous nature, with those magnificent cliffs, endless sea, some islands swimming around, a cozy town below. All that you can relish inside refreshing water and with the sun gently kissing your skin. Seriously, I couldn't imagine a better place to spend time at Avani Beach. If you love gorgeous infinity pools as much as I do, Avani Cliff Aonang is a perfect choice just because of it. But we have far not gone yet. The second pool is next to the lobby. It has no view and suits more families with kids or those seeking more privacy, due to the one on top is more popular for obvious reasons. Here you will find some extra activities, games, gym and join classes. They have also more comfortable double sunbeds here, great for couples. And even though there is no panoramic view, the area looks scenic and peaceful, well gardened, and of course the cliffs are all around. Though it's worth mentioning that the resort doesn't have direct beach access, but you will reach it in just 10 minutes walk. You will find all sorts of entertainments around you, such as local shops, bars, cafes and fire shows. And there's a fabulous Riley beach in just 15 minutes long-tail boat ride. By the way, I've got the whole video about the things you can do in Krabi. I will drop the link in the description box. But we have one more thing to cover here at Avani Cliff. Breakfast, one of the most important rituals during my hotel staycation experience. I didn't put much expectations at Avani Cliff Aonang because I knew I'm going to 4-star resort. Maybe that is why I was surprised how decent the breakfast here is. It's served at Pano Cafe as a buffet, just below Infinity Pool. The most of the dishes are placed at the separate air-conditioned room. Here's a basic variety of fresh vegetables for your salad, including lettuce, bell peppers, tomatoes and some dressings. Fresh fruits such as pineapples, dragon fruits and melons, also chopped for yogurt. You can add some dried fruits and cereals as well. There is a bakery corner with breads and croissants, a toast-making facility where you can serve yourself a variety of toppings, butters, breads, Nutella. There are delicious cold cuts, some pickles and what surprised me, smoked salmon, which you not always find even at 5-star hotels. Outside you will find eggs station. You can order eggs your style and they will serve it at your table. French toasts and pancakes, one of my favorites. You can find everything you need for American-style breakfast. There are several options for fresh juice and of course coffee machine. The seats in fact are all outdoors, but there are those closer to the balcony. Of course, I've chosen the nearest to the corner table where I could see the best view. Though this concrete construction looks quite ugly, they should definitely do something about it. There is also a rooftop bar here at Avani Cliff, but it looks slightly abandoned and in a well not good enough. The area has great potential, the views here are fantastic, but to attract visitors it should be more sophisticated, with nice seats and lounge areas. But not many places are perfect. Avani Cliff Aonang is great staycation in the area in 4-star hotels range, though there are alternatives, much fresher and with different concept. Have a look at Anana Ecological Resort. I've got the complete review about it. Hit the like button, drop some comment to support me, it means a lot. Follow my channel to travel Thailand and the world with me and see you in my next video.